County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Jefferson Pennsylvania County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., a hazardous snow squall was located along the line from over Clarion to over Sewickley, or along the line from over Clarion to near Franklin Park, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of winter snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially hazardous within minutes. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Cranberry, Moon Township, McKeithport, Butler, Franklin Park, Jeanette, Aliquippa, Punxsutawney, Clarion, Vandergrift, Katanning, Brookville, Apollo, Knox, and Rymersburg. This includes the following highways: Parkway north between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 48 and 93. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 65 and 83. Interstate 376 between mile markers 43 and 46 and between mile markers 72 and 84. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 25 and 69. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snowfall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.